Now to a live briefing by the Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley.
Speak in generalities, and in generalities it is mentioned that we must use all possible tools available to us, monetary, fiscal, structural changes. But when these generics are to be converted into specifics, I find that there is a sudden lack of ideas. Many are waiting for the world to improve on its own, rather than come out with some specific interventions which will make it change. And therefore, when you get together the think tanks, I'm sure people with diverse opinions can, in closed doors, really analyze the situation. Of course, the situation in Asia is not as pessimistic as in the rest of the world. And the good reason for this is that there is still a lot of growth potential that Asia has. And that's why decisively Asian growth rate is much higher than the global growth rate itself. You had initially Asian economies, more particularly Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, which several decades ago experimented and became technological superpowers. They linked their economies to the rest of the world, treated the rest of the world as a great market, grew, and each one of them grew in urbanization also. Following a different model of mass production, low cost, using urbanization again as an important instrument, China replicated in a different way the same experience itself. And I think we in India are very close to experimenting that. Today, we have over 31% of our population in urban areas. And over the next 2 decades, I think this figure is going to substantially increase. And when this figure substantially increases over the next 2 decades, we will see urban India really become not only a nerve center or a hub of growth, it's already beginning to happen.